So when you need that takeaway but you can't afford it on a budget, here is my take on those beautiful duck or not pancakes. Get your cucumber and chop it into nice thin slices. Get a hold of your spring onions and do the same. Once you've chopped all your veg, just putting your vegetarian shredded filling, or if you're using duck, your duck, pancakes on one side, cooking up that vegetarian duck, just heating it through in the pan, making up a sauce. I've used some peanut butter, some soya sauce and some barbecue sauce here. We like it, but you can buy hoisin sauce in the shop ready-made for 70p for a packet. Put the sauce on, gives it a bit of glue to hold everything together. Add in your vegetables. You can always add or take away more, how you prefer yours. And then the hot filling goes in on top. Nice and easy, just got to fold it up, cut it up and serve. Enjoy.